Okay, my friends. So today we're gonna take you to this tutorial and step by step show you how to go here. This beautiful location, downtown San Diego, California. But we're gonna put you in a more paradise location for 129 for 4 people for a couple of days, and you're just gonna love it. It's the Welk Resort, and sometimes they have multiple deals. And today we're gonna show you about 6 deals that they have, and you're just gonna fall in love with the location, the weather, the environment, you name it, and of course the price. There is no price out there. So if you go to the resorts that we tutor you here to their website, you're not gonna find this. It's a place kind of secrecy. These vacation packages are through a renowned vacation website partner called bookvip.com. So people have trouble finding it. We're a tutor. So we tutor you how to book your vacation and make sure you know what you're booking. This is just for the hotels, my friends. This is not for a car or airplane. You should know this. So once you get there, you won't be surprised. So in a minute, we're going to get started, and you're just going to love it step by step. In the next 15 minutes, basically, you're going to have what is known as your entire traveling guide review. We give it 100%, and you're going to love it. So this is top secret, basically. Most people don't know about it, but here it is. We'll take you there now. Okay, my friends, so we're at bookvip.com in this tutorial on how to book your most popular vacation packages. And today we're going to take you to one of the greatest destinations that you'll ever find. But let's go step by step. How do you find this website? Let's go to Google, which is a search engine, and type in bookvip.com. And here it is. It's the first search blog. And just click on it. This is a vacation booking website. Over 4 million people have liked it. 1 million customers have used it. So generally, I just type in my destination. Okay, so if I want to go somewhere, I'll just type it in right here. So this time, I'm going to type in San Diego, California, United States. And it's the drop down box, and then just hit search. So San Diego, California, United States. Wow, right here, vacation deals, San Diego. There are many hotels, as you can see, different price points, and wow, look at the deals. So we're going to show you which deal we like the best first, and we're going to show you that in this episode of our tutorial, they only have one resort available. Sometimes they have multiple resorts, but let's look at the price package for this one. This is San Diego, California, for $129. 4 people for 3 days. Right here, you can read 2 nights in a villa on the green 1-bedroom suite. You have 4 people staying and includes wine tasting for 2 people for free. You can book this for $39. If you want to view the deal, you can click to the right. Let's look at the difference in the prices for the same hotel. Well, basically, you can upgrade for $10 more for a third day. And that's a flat rate, my friends. Flat rate. How do you know it's a flat rate? Well, when you click on these hotels, it'll tell you prices for the entire stay, not per person, not per night. It's for the entire trip. 2 nights in a 1-bedroom suite. Okay, remember, it's a 1 room. Okay? And let's look at the hotel. And this is from the bookvip.com vacation site that we're showing you. If you want to buy the vacation, you have to click on reserve it now. People want to always purchase it, so they get lost right here, and that's why we offer this tutorial. Look at the beautiful destination. It has a small little studio apartment with a kitchenette and everything, my friends. So basically, it's like staying in your home, and I'm clicking right here through their pictures. It is so awesome. It is so awesome that I don't know. People just get carried away here. That's how relaxing and comfortable it is. The entourage is just wow. And what can we say? Unlimited food is also available, but you have to pay for it. Some packages to Mexico or Caribbean is all inclusive, but this one is not all inclusive. So really read what you're getting, and this is one of the best, and we're reading it for you. I mean, click again. And I'm going to click through it so you can see the beauty of the hotel, the serenity, the world class, standard, privacy, security, live entertainment, world class gym. Let's see what all this includes. A putting golf course range, world class again. I'm going to scroll down. Accredited business, A+. So here it is. What we offer in the rooms, you'll see. It's great, beautiful room, kitchen, dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave, coffee. You have pretty much everything in this beautiful hotel. And there are restaurants, that they will tell you. And it's delicious. So you do have to pay for the restaurants and food. But the entire trip is just awesome. And the amenities basically tells you what else do they have. Like they have a tennis court, volleyball area, water sliding, sauna, bath. They also have picnic area, golfing. And so when you go to the amenities section of any one of their vacation packages, you really get an idea of what's happening. To the left, you'll see people booking. So say someone from Ormond Beach booked. So this keeps on popping up. You'll see it. If you go up again, these are little vacationing advertisements and reviews they have. So I'm going to unmute this in a minute and show you. So let's do this now. That's what you're going to listen to.
We're at the Villa de Palmar Resort here in Cabo San Lucas, and we wanted to thank bookvip.com for this amazing deal. It looked like it was too good to be true with the all-inclusive, but it has been absolutely amazing. It's been great having breakfast at this beautiful resort every day with this backdrop of Cabo.
I'm Cass.
It's Sandy.
And we are so grateful for bookvip.com. We're here in
Costa Rica
as secrets and having an amazing time. Thanks so much, Book VIP.
We have had a fantastic vacation here in beautiful Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Thanks to bookvip.com. We had a fantastic vacation.
So you see, my friends, I just stopped and showed you their reviews, but in their tutorial, which we offer, you really don't know how to purchase this. So people get lost. So remember, reserve it now. And each deal is different. I'm going to go back and show you. So if you want to reserve this deal or buy it, the $39, reservation, that's what they're reserving the day. So what does that mean? Down payment. Basically, from the $189, they're going to take away $39, and you can reserve it for that day. You can change the day if you don't know. Maybe you have something in your life that comes up, and you can change the day. So there's no penalty on that. And it'll tell you here, and I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go back. Where does it tell you you're not going to? So it's a free cancellation and rescheduling. Look at the bottom right here. And it's pretty much, so right here, free cancellation and rescheduling. So that's what that is for. So where were we just now? We're going to go back. Just hit the back button. We were in the San Diego vacation deals. And the resort that they have right now, there's only one resort that offers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options plus one more, 6. Okay, so there's 6. Generally, there are about 5 of them. But what is the difference? Sometimes they're the number of days. This is 5 days for $199. And if you go up to the other one, there's 4 days for $169. Now, let me show you the difference between $189 and $199. Basically, right here. So this is wine tasting for 2 is free. Here they give you tickets to the zoo. So actually you can go to the zoo. I want to tell you something and stop and tell you something about bookvip.com. Bookvip.com is just a vacation deal for hotels, okay? So resorts and hotels. This does not include travel for airfare, like air accommodations, airplanes. It does not have what is known as car deals and so on and so forth. So, it's one of the best deals out there, even then, okay? So, if you want to, once again, book $169, don't go up here and start clicking on this page. or the hotel, you have to click the deal, view deal. This is a tutorial because people get lost. So remember, you asked for this deal, but what is the best deal in my perception? $129. If you want to go to the zoo, remember it's only for 2 people, but the deal is for 4 people. So 2 people get free 2 tickets. You'll have to go and purchase tickets there. No problem. This is just free. The entire trip in the booking hotel is $169 for 4 days and 3 nights, and we want you to know that. So if we click here, you see the deal right here, and make sure you read that. And if that's the deal you want to reserve,
Book VIP did a great job of giving us an accurate representation of what.
And it interrupted me. These video diaries that they have on YouTube interrupt you sometimes when you're trying to purchase it. Just remember, just mute it. So no problem. Don't get lost. Don't get confused. Don't, start thinking, what am I? There's a lot of video diaries as we showed. And so we'll go up again and show you. And we want it to be as natural as process as if you're looking at the website yourself. And you've already seen this beautiful vacation hotel. But the reserve it now button is where you reserve. And a lot of people ask that on YouTube. And when you're done, remember to copy and save and print your entire itinerary. That means your entire purchase, because you want to know what you booked, and cross-check it in your files. So the best place to also go is right here, Discover More. That way you can read about your hotel. Again, this is the San Diego vacation deals. And I'm going to show you something else now. We'll click on bookvip.com. I'm going to go to deals by location. This is the deals by location. You can see on this page the most popular destinations. See, this one is Punta Cana. We've done a documentary on that as well as a tutorial. So that tutorial documentary has that. Orlando. There's Las Vegas. There's so many. Mexico and Caribbean. So many. So we have almost all of these that are going to be done or have been done already. And so people get lost in how to book this, why they should book this. Is it good? They have a 90%. I give them 100%. 100%, my friends. And you have a 24 hours phone line. She says there's a star. I appreciate the help of the agent on the phone. I'm going to go up again. 1-800 toll-free number. Okay, they have Spanish-speaking customers also. They have hot weekly deals. The best part of this vacation is you can reserve this anytime, and it's available Christmas, New Year's, and everything. It's there all the time. So let's go back to your San Diego. Here's a pop-up. See, it brought me to Amazon, but that's okay. So go back to bookvip.com. There are many pop-ups that come on this, and you just can't help it because they're trying to advertise everything. So no worries. We went to San Diego. So I keep my tutorials very natural. I don't edit anything out, because if you start editing things, then people get lost. Don't edit anything. San Diego, California, United States is what we wanted. And it was right here, $129. That's the deal for 4 people, 3 days, 2 nights. This is the entire trip, my friends. You don't get car rental and you don't get airfare. So it's just for the resort, okay? There's no food also. There are restaurants. You can stay and have your food. You can purchase it. But in this San Diego trip, it doesn't include food. I'm going to go back and show you something else now. So we showed you the $129. That's what we want to tutor you on, okay? So be satisfied. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to show you trips that have all meals. So look at this trip right here to the right hand side. It says all meals and drinks, and I'm going to click on it. Sometimes the icon will click on everything. So this one includes all meals and drinks and alcohol. But this is to Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, okay? And in this one, you get $300 book VIP credit. So this is a promotion. That means you can come back and book a trip for $300. You can book 3 trips. Potentially they're free. You know, they have to be under 300. Then you have $500 activity credit. Wow. So that means they give you cash 500 to the hotel right here. And you'll see cruise ships and everything because there are many. This is not a cruise. This is not airfare. This is not, what do you call, domesticated travel through rental car. This is just a vacation deal for hotels. Okay? So let's go back. San Diego. And make sure you spell it right. San Diego. So, and then just hit search. Here you go. San Diego, California, in the United States of America. Remember, you need to know where you're going. And you can reserve these things for just a couple of dollars and then forget about them. And there's no cancellation fee. You know, a lot of people ask that on the tutorial. Go back. How do you know? It says that on there. It says free cancellation and free rescheduling. So no problem. And there are many deals, okay? So if you want deals with free food, it's over here. You go to all-inclusive vacations. But that doesn't mean you'll have it for all American trips. Most of these international trips are inclusive, like Mexico, Jamaica, Costa Rica, Punta Cana, Dominica, you know. So you gotta really know what you're booking. 100%, you're gonna get great reviews from this when you tell your friends and family. Remember to subscribe and share and like our YouTube channel. So the video that you're seeing right now, this tutorial, make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friends. That is how we get more people to have better vacations. And if these people stay in business, then you have more vacations, and they're awesome. This is a partnership with international business hotels, and I'll go back down on this page and show you something. See, they have Mexico, Cancun, Florida, Orlando, Mexico, Cabo San Lucas, Las Vegas, Nevada, Jamaica, Montego Bay, Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. So all these places, they have partnerships with hotels, and some of their hotels are their own. So what you see is what you get. And some of the pictures are the same, which is okay because they are interlinked and companies. So don't be discouraged by that. 100% satisfaction. I promise you. This is a hotel I'm showing you that I had stayed in. It's a $99. Can you imagine? 4 days and 3 nights. That's it. Flat rate for 4 people, and I had a kitchenette. And I'm just going to show you this while you're looking at this tutorial because people don't understand how great of a deal it is and how to book it and how to read everything. They will just get to the website and kind of be lost. Like, why are there different rates? Why are there the same pictures? Why do they have, you know, multiple offerings? Well, it just depends on if you understand what you're looking at. So I'm going to go here and show you again. Join the movement. I would say yes, join the movement. It's a great place. And remember, you started all the way up at the top, and I'm going to go up at the top again at bookvip.com.